All right, tips on paraphrasing successfully. Now, as a teacher, this is something that I see students struggle with all the time. It causes a lot of issues. It can sometimes even get you in trouble for cheating. So this is going to be your tips to paraphrase successfully. Follow my tips. You should be good to go. Number one, you need to read the original source. So if I'm going to be looking right here at my original source is about aardvarks. It says aardvarks are nocturnal. They spend the hot African afternoon holed up in cool underground burrows dug with their powerful feet and claws that resemble small spades. After sunset, aardvarks put those claws to good use in acquiring their favorite food, termites. Source, National Geographic, aardvarks. So right through here, I've gotten a bunch of information about aardvarks that I'm going to be using in my own individual paper. I know where it comes from, and I know the title of that source. Now, I cannot just put this word for word into the paper because I need to put it in my own words. I need to show that I understand what I'm talking about and making sure that I'm not plagiarizing when I write my paper. Now, it's really, really important that you understand everything you read, because if you don't, you're going to struggle when it comes to paraphrasing. So, for example, maybe you don't know what the word nocturnal is, and that's okay. Look it up. Okay, make sure you understand what you are reading before you move in to the next step. Now, you want to break it up. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You're going to divide the section up into fragments of information. So we're going to have this original sentence right through here, this original phrase, right here, and then we're going to start breaking it up into little snippets of information. Now I've color-coded it right here. Aardvarks are nocturnal is the first bit of information that we have gained from this paragraph right here. The second bit is going to be the stuff in green. They spend the hot afternoon holed up in cool underground burrows, so we know where they live. They live in underground burrows in Africa. From the other one, we know what they are. They're nocturnal. We know they dig these burrows with their powerful feet and claws, and that these claws resemble spades. We got another bit of information right through here. We also know that they go out after sunset, and they're going to use these claws to get their favorite food. And what is their favorite food? Termites, okay? Our source right through here, we know it from National Geographic. So those are all the different bits of information we have here. So if you look, we've got a red one, a green one, a yellow one, a blue one, and an orange one. So we've got 5 different bits of information right through here. Now we're going to take that sentence and we're going to reorder it. So we're going to have this one right through here, okay, where I've broken this information up. We've got the orange, the green, the blue, the purple, and then the red right through here. We're going to take this information and we're just going to put it word for word in a different order, because one of the things when you want to do in your paraphrasing is you want to make sure that you put stuff in a different order than it was originally written. So if you do it like this, you're going to be doing that. Instead of following the orange, green, blue, purple, red, we're going to be following a blue, green, orange, purple, and then red. Okay, so some of it's going to be the same, but it's all put into a different order to make sure that we're not writing in the exact same order. Now, we need to take that sentence, we need to reword that sentence so that we're not giving the direct information from the original source. So the best way of doing this is to read this new sentence that you just wrote, put it away, and then write what you remember down. That's going to be the best way to do it. The other thing, and you can see an example of this right through here. Okay, so if we're looking at the original sentence that I've now created, dug with their powerful feet and claws that resemble small spades, aardvarks spend the hot African afternoon holed up in cool underground burrows. Since aardvarks are nocturnal, after sunset, they put those claws to good use in acquiring their favorite food. Termites, source is National Geographic. Now, it is important that you mention the source as well, because this information comes from somewhere else. So the new sentence we got right here, after putting this top part away and writing what I remember, is according to National Geographic's, aardvarks have claws that, quote, resemble small spades, because it comes directly from the original source. I can't reword that. I want to keep that because I think it's really good. So I got to put it in quotes right through here. We know where it comes from. National Geographic. They're going to use these claws to dig burrows where they hide from the heat of Africa, because Africa is really hot. We know this. As aardvarks are nocturnal, they spend the night hunting for termites, their ideal meal choice. And then I want to make sure, again, I source it right through here from National Geographic. That is a quick, easy way of how to paraphrase. If you have questions or comments, let me know. Good luck.